to the grids workshop, crystal grids workshop. Now, first I will explain what are grids. Grids are actually geometrical patterns which can be arranged in such a way that it will benefit us from getting the best out of the crystals present in that. When crystals are put together, are used together, the properties complement one another. Means one crystal's property benefits the other one's property. So that way, the crystals, when they are placed in a geometrical pattern, that is, it is found by many years back, it is found by ancient times, it is found by man about how and which angle to keep the crystals so that they will give each other their mutual they will give each other their energies, and like that way they will mutually benefit each other, and at the same time they will create a energy field. So whoever is coming in that energy field will be benefited by this energy. This is what crystal grids are. So now, who keeps crystal grids? Everyone can keep crystal grids in their homes. They can keep in business places. They can keep in students' rooms. They can keep in bedrooms. They can keep anywhere. You can keep in all rooms in a house. Also, you can keep. This is mainly. It is done because we believe that the crystals will produce an energy that will attract anything from the universe. That is the reason why crystals are placed in homes or in business places. Now, here this workshop, we are giving it to you for one specific reason, which is to help you improve your business. If you are in a business, if you are in the crystal business, if you make grids for people, for your clients, you will really have a very good income. Normally, grids are charged from rupees 4,000 to rupees 20,000 for a single grid. Now, grids have each grid has different points. There are grids starting from 7 point to 9 point to 11 point to 13 point to 17 point to 21 point, 27 point, and like that to 37 point. That means. And there are certain patterns also which are very commonly used and which we will be giving you in this workshop. So you will be using those patterns. Anything you receive here can be printed. You can print it and use it in your business. Now, another thing is, if you don't print it, you can also draw. But you will need a geometry box like the one you are using in school to draw circles. The main factor of the crystal grid is the circle and the points. There are certain mathematical calculations between the points, so it is always better to just print it out rather than drawing, because if you draw and a single point is different, the calculation will totally become different. So it is better you take the printout. If somebody is sick and needs distant healing, you can also offer them to do a grid in their home, in their bedroom, so they will get better. See, this is not easy. It is not something meant for people who are who are not really interested in this. But if you do it in the beginning, it will seem little complicated, but once you start doing it, it's very easy and it will bring excellent results. That is the main point here. So in this workshop, you're going to learn 7 crystal grids as advertised. There will be crystal grids for money magnet, customer client attraction crystal grid, which you all must have seen in the ad, attract soulmate or right partner crystal grid, overseas job opportunities, then again psychic attack, business growth, and home protection. So these are the 7 crystal grids which you will learn to make in this workshop.